morning everyone. Welcome to my online class. Today I am going to start the chapter number 4 from your EVS. So let's start the chapter and all of you open your book. So the chapter name is The Food We Eat. Okay. So all of you know what does food help us or how it is helpful to us. Okay. So what is first of all what is food? So food means the substances that we eat all are food. Okay, so how does it help us? So you see in your book it gives us energy, okay, to stay healthy or to play, to do work. We need energy and it get from food. Okay, next number 2 point, it helps us to grow. So if we have to grow or we have to develop our body parts, then we have to eat food regularly or proper food. Okay, number 3, it keeps us healthy and strong. It keeps us healthy, that means we becomes healthy when we eat healthy foods, not the junk food. Okay, and it keeps us strong. Strong means when we have to do some work, we have to be strong. Yes, then it protects us from diseases. So by this eating good food habit, we can stay healthy and we protect us from various diseases. Okay, diseases means illness. Understand? Next, come to the point, various sources of food. So all of you know it in your previous class. The sources of food mainly are 2 types. So plants and animals. So can you say some sources of food what we get from plants? Okay, so these are fruit, vegetable, grains, pulses, etc. All are the sources that we get from plants. So most of the sources of food are the plants. Okay, for example, we eat rice, we eat bananas, apples, etc. All are plant sources. Then come to the point from the food where we get from animals. So what are those? Those are the milk, egg, meat, etc. All are the sources of food that we get from animals. Okay, understand? So in this page we have discussed how food is helpful to us and what are the various sources of food. Okay, then come to the page number 26, and in page number 25 there are various food from plants. So roots, we get roots, carrots and radish. These are the parts of plant that are roots. Okay, you know the various parts of plant. These are leaves, flowers, seeds, roots, stem, etc. So carrots and radish are the roots of plant. Then leaves, we also eat the leaves. So what are those? Mint, coriander, spinach. Then seeds, seeds means from where we get the new plants. So these are the wheat, rice and corn. Then stem, stem means the parts just above the ground are called the stem. Okay, so sugarcane and potato are the stem of the plants. Then fruits, all of you know it, papaya, mango, orange. Then flowers, cauliflower, broccoli. Okay, you read these pages very carefully. Then come to the page number 26. So here we also get vegetable oil from plants like mustard, groundnut, coconut. Oil we get from plants or animals too. So we get oils from mustard and groundnut, coconut. Sunflower, we get the oil from sunflower also. These are rich in fats and provide energy and warmth to our body. So fats help us to warm our body. Okay, remember the function of fats. So it provide us energy also. Okay, so you underline this line. These are rich in fats and provide energy and warmth to our body. Then come to the next point. Spices are the parts of some plants that add flavor, aroma and color to food. Spices, you know, the masala are called spices and it gives the flavor or aroma. Aroma means scent. Smell, a good smell is called aroma to the foods, you know it. We get sugar from the stem of sugarcane, and you also know it that we get the sugar from stem of sugarcane. Okay, then name 2 plants from which we get cooking oil. write these two answers by yourself. This is in the first point of this page, to page number 26. Okay, you write it and show me. Then food from animals. I have already discussed what are the foods that we get from animals. So we get food from many animals. We cook them before eating. So the foods we get from animals, and we cook them before eating. Then why we cook food before eating? Because it helps to digest the food easily. Okay. So first point, animals like cow, goat and buffalo give us milk. People drink camel's milk in desert and yak's milk in cold and hilly places. You underline this line. In desert places, people eat camel's milk, and in hilly places, then it means in hills area, people eat yak's milk. Some of the milk products which we use are cheese, curd, butter, ghee, etc. The milk products are the products or the foods produced from the milk are called the milk product. So what are those? Curd, cheese, ghee and butter. Okay. Then hen and duck give us egg, you know it. Then they are rich in source of protein. So eggs, milk, meat, fish, etc. are the sources of protein. Remember this thing. Then honey is obtained from honeybees. It is used as a sweetener and even as an antiseptic. It also soothes a sore throat. So honey is used as sweetener to mix or to add sweet in some food. We add honey, and it used as also antiseptic. Okay. Then come to the page number 27. The flesh of animals like hen, goat, fish, pound and lobster are eaten as meat. You know what are the sources of food that we eat as meat. So these are the hen, goat, fish, prawn and lobster. Okay. Then people who eat vegetables, fruits and dairy products are called vegetarian. That means vegetarians who eat vegetable. Okay. And non-vegetarian means who eat meat, fish, etc. are called non-vegetarian. So you read these two pages up to vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Okay. And if you have any confusion, then you can ask me and read these two pages and send me the audio. Okay. The last part I will discuss in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.